Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how we repaired the steering wheel controls in a Gen 2 Prius. We'll do this by replacing the Clockspring, which is behind the steering wheel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. Our next video will be about a USB hack in the Fiat 500 we installed a double DIN in last time, and that should be coming up soon. We've been having some technical difficulties with that, but rest assured we're on it. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this video. This is the replacement Clockspring we purchased that will be replacing the old one that's no longer working. We'll have this linked in the description below. The first step is to disconnect the battery located in the trunk. While you're watching him show you the location of the battery, I'm just jumping in here to tell you that we are not advising you to attempt this. If you do so of your own accord, please exercise caution and consult a professional. Step 2 is to remove the steering wheel. This part should be exercised with caution because the airbag is located here. A torque wrench meter should be used here because this nut requires a specific torque. We didn't use one, and if you attempt to do this, and again we're not recommending that you do, please keep this in mind. Step 3 is to loosen the steering column cover panels. Step 4 is to remove the old Clockspring. 5 is to insert the new clock spring. Step 6 is to reassemble the steering column cover panels. Step 7 is to reinstall the steering wheel. Just another reminder that a torque wrench meter should be used here. Leaving the steering wheel loose might cause an accident. Step 8 is to reconnect the battery. So now, as you can see, the steering wheel controls are functioning again. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.